I feel like the brow session today just really took me from little KC to big KC. Like I feel like being outside now. I feel like I look good. What's up? It's KC. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button to join my clique. So right now I'm basically just getting ready because I'm getting my eyebrows laminated today. Eyebrow lamination is basically like a perm for your eyebrows, and then I also get them tinted too, so you know, just to add a little extra color. My eyebrows are like naturally curly, so the hairs just be all over the place, really wild. And yeah, I haven't gotten a lamination in a while, so I'm starting to notice the hairs are just out of place. Just look real raggedy. I don't know. So this is how my eyebrows look like right now with no makeup on. They actually don't look that bad, but I have microblading on my eyebrows, which is basically like a tattoo for your eyebrows. So that's one reason I haven't gotten them laminated in probably like at least a year. I've been getting my eyebrows laminated for like 3 years, I think, since like 2020. Microblading and brow lamination has literally changed my life. I literally wake up, I don't have to do my eyebrows. I haven't done my eyebrows probably literally in 3 years, like I said. So I don't have to fill them in, don't have to do nothing extra. I'm gonna just do my hair real quick because I'm going, well, it's only, let's see, it's 1:30 right now, and I have my appointment at 4 o'clock. It was at 2 o'clock, but she moved it to 4, which honestly I'm kind of glad that she did that because I need to film this video for y'all. And I also, you know, I don't have time to eat. Give me some Starbucks, and yeah, just chill. I also have some videos to film with one of my friends later on, so I feel like it should be a pretty good day. Honestly, y'all, like I've been having really good days lately, so I just be in a good mood all the time. I've been waking up earlier. I've been getting to it. I've been working on my business, on my graphic design stuff. I don't know, I'm really proud of myself. Like I just been having some really good days. I tried setting up my little car mount that I had bought off Amazon, but it like would not stick to my dashboard, and that was making me really mad. It's like literally the third one I've bought and it's just not working. So I think I'm just gonna give up on that. But honestly, like having to like hold the tripod and the camera 24/7 be making my arms hurt. Like it literally making my arms hurt so bad. But you know what? I'ma just suck it up, and yeah, so I'm on my way to the appointment. I had already ate and everything. I got Chick-fil-A because I don't know, it was just cloudy and ugly outside, and I just did not feel like filming that because I was doing a whole lot of nothing. So yeah, when we get there, I'll just kind of like show y'all in the office and stuff, and then we're gonna get started on my brows. It's like almost 4 o'clock, so it's starting to get like a little bit like heavier traffic in Houston or whatever. And my allergies have been going ballistic since yesterday. I've taken so much allergy medicine and nothing's helping. Like as you can, like I'm pretty sure y'all can hear in my voice, like I literally sound nasal. Like I don't even know, but I literally have a red nose. Well, it's not red right now, but I have like a little red pimple. Tell me why I found out something on TikTok that was just like so validating for me. Women are something about our daily like hormonal cycle. Every day between 3 and 5 p.m. women like be needing to take a nap. That's like just when we crash because of our hormones. And I'm like, oh my god, that makes so much sense. Tell me why right before I had to leave for my brow appointment today, I'm like, dang, I really don't even feel like going to get my brows done no more because I'm so tired. I look and it's 3:30. I said, oh my gosh, it's so true. So next time y'all sleepy in the middle of the day, just know it's not your fault. It's just part of being a woman, I guess. I'm like 15 minutes late for my appointment, just chilling in my car on my way. Sorry if it's kind of loud because I am on the highway right now, but let me get off this camera. I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I get there because it's getting a little dangerous. I just want money and some drugs. Turned up in the club.
Yeah, because your brows do get curly a little bit.
Yeah.
Like there's like a curly one right here.
I don't even know the last time I got them laminated for real. It's mostly on the ends.
That was that a little bit.
Recording this is so interesting because I never actually see
what I'm doing.
Yes, like as many times as I've gotten it done.
This part's so satisfying to me.
It is. This is so weird, but like as I'm recording, I have like this pimple on my face, but it's not a pimple because it's been there for so long, Jenna. Like
is
it's
it a
not
mole?
even funny. I think so.
Or like a blackhead.
I've been saying that I need to go to the dermatologist. Wait, should I go to the dermatologist?
Yeah.
Cause
yeah,
like
that's where you would go.
It's ugly. Like, oh my god, I just can't. They look so. I feel like myself again.
Here she is.
This is literally what I needed.
A little oil.
Mm-hmm.
And you're good.
This is how they came out. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now I want to be outside. This is the look. Okay, y'all, so this is my finished brow look. It's so cute. Like, I honestly finally feel like myself again. So for aftercare, basically you just want to make sure not to get them wet as much as possible, you know, like when you're washing your face and everything. And if you do get them wet, she gives you a spoolie. This one is from my lashes, but you just take a spoolie and you want to just brush them like as soon as you get them wet, just so that they, you know, stay straight how they're supposed to. Honestly, the only thing I need to really complete this look is getting my hair done, because I know my hair looks so crazy right now. Yeah, my gas tank is pretty much on E, so I'm about to take care of that. I feel like the brow session today just really took me from little KC to big KC. Like I feel like being outside now. I feel like I look good. What's up? Y'all, so it's nighttime now, and I pretty much just came back to close out the video and reiterate like the aftercare instructions. So this how my brows look after, like, you know, the swelling went down and everything, so they're not super red or puffy anymore. I love the result. The tint really be lasting like maybe 2 to 3 weeks, so but the lamination really lasts like a few months, so I should be good on it for a little while. So yeah, just remember, don't get your brows wet, and if you do get them wet while washing your face and stuff, just go ahead and brush them back into place and you'll be all good to go. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that y'all can join my clique. And yeah, bye y'all. It's on the floor, we cool today.